Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kyle with Jones Landscape and Tractor. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to winterize your garden. First step is make sure you get all the weeds and everything pulled out of it. That way you can at least start clean. And then this particular garden bed already has a layer of mulch that was dumped in here. So we're going to spread that out and use that as the base layer just to cover up the soil that we used from our garden this year. And then we're going to spread a layer of compost and new garden soil over the top of this mulch layer. Then you have two options. You can either spread straw over your garden, your exposed garden soil, and that'll help to ensure that you don't get any erosion. You can keep the soil from getting completely saturated. That straw will help absorb some of that moisture. Or number two, which is the option that we're going to choose, and that is to seed the garden bed with a nitrogen fixing cover crop. So we'll have that cover crop established for the winter, and then come springtime we'll till that mix into the soil, and that will help provide some nutrients back into the soil for our garden in the spring of 2022. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That's how I winterize my garden for the season. If you have chickens, they can actually be really great to help make sure that seed has good seed to soil contact. That way you get good germination and good coverage across your entire garden bed. I've used this method with small garden boxes like this, with larger in-ground gardens, and it's just a really surefire way to make sure that your garden is prepped for winter, and to make sure that you have healthy soil for the spring when it comes time to plant. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.